going to do PM to MM duration. Today we are going to do PM to MM duration. Okay. Recording
Okay.
started, I think so. Okay. So MM means material management. Okay. It is nothing but the materials we require during our maintenance. Okay. So that how you are
Okay.
going to
Yes.
have the process we are going to see. So the technologies we are going to use are, you write this in your hand note later. Where to check the stock of a material? MMD, basic entry question. Okay. Basic interview question. You cannot tell it is I don't know. You cannot tell. The people to check the stock of a material is a very simple interview question. And vendor is the guy who is going to give the material to us, who is selling the material to us. He is the vendor. We don't have material, means we will buy from the third party. The guy who is sending the material to us is called as vendor. Okay. And the PR means purchase requisition. In the means when we don't have the material, we will request in the SAP. In the SAP, we'll be doing the PR, purchase request. Okay. Purchase request, PR, they will tell. This is auto created. Okay. This is auto created in the work order. I am telling
Okay.
from our PM perspective. Manually also it can be created. Okay. You don't worry on that
Yeah.
from our PM perspective. So PO is
Okay.
manually created. Okay. PO is manually
Okay.
created. I am telling to everyone, do lot of practice. I am not getting any questions. Arvind, the last class, I asked you
Yeah. Yeah.
simple
Prepared.
activity.
I prepared, sir.
Today
I
I don't
prepared,
have
sir.
time. Today I don't have time. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
PR
Okay, sir.
means I don't have the material. So I will be creating a PR in my work order by auto creation. We'll see that. And a PO means for this requisition, I'm ordering. I need this material. This is what purchase order. T code ME21N. Okay. And
Okay.
MyGo means GRGO. That's what MyGo. T code MyGo. Goods receipt and goods issue. Okay. I'll tell you. Vendor I told.
Okay.
Service center sheet means we don't have the resources. So we are calling third party to come and do the work. Okay. We don't have the
Okay.
skilled
Okay.
people or something. So we are calling third party to come and do the work. That is called service center sheet. T code ML81N. Okay. So goods issue means from the store, we are taking the material against the reservation number. Okay, I'll show in the system.
Okay.
I'll show in the system. In the work order, the reservation number will be created. In the means I need 10 material. So against that reservation number, from the store, you are taking the material. Normally, what they will tell, they will not tell I am taking the material. They will tell from the store's perspective. This you need to speak on the store perspective. So the store guy will issue the material from the store against your reservation number.
Okay.
That is what Gushushu. Gushushu means the store guy is issuing the material. The store guy is issuing the
Issue.
material. You should not tell I am going and taking the material. You should not tell that way. Okay. You should not tell that way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See. So notification order, you are requesting a material in the work order. Okay. Against the request, purchase order is created. Okay. Purchase order is created. And the vendor against the purchase order, the vendor will send the material. Okay, vendor who is having the material. When we are receiving the material, we are doing goods receipt. When we are receiving we are checking whether the material what we received is fine or not. Okay, so this is called the non-stock flow. Okay, stock flow is not there. Okay, okay. So this and all you can read. It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see non-stock. Okay, non-stock services will come for the services. For non-stock material stock, they didn't show. So yes, so for stock material, reservation will be created. You are reserving the material in the store. I need 10 material. Against the reservation, the store people will issue the material. This is the stock flow. The store people will issue the material. You should not tell I am going and taking the material. You should not tell that way. You should speak from the store's perspective. Okay, the store people will issue the material against the reservation number, 10 quantity reserved, that number will be there. This is the stock flow. Okay, non-stock is this. I told requisition will be created, auto created, for ordering to be done. And when the vendor is sending the materials, we are doing the goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt. So, very important point in the MyGo, goods receipt and goods issues happen. Again, I'm telling, goods issue means, okay, when you are consuming the material from the store, okay, normally goods issue store people giving the material, not only PM, any module, anyone. Goods issue means that is the matter. Okay, to the PP team, MM team, SD team, any team. Goods issue means the store people issuing the material to you. That's called goods issue, because people are getting confused. That's what I'm saying. Goods receipt means when the vendor, third party guys send the material to you, so you are verifying and you are receiving the material. That is called goods receipt. This is called goods issue, goods receipt. Both in one single T code. Again, I'm telling, both in one single T code. Okay, stock flow and non-stock flow. Okay, okay. So this and all you read, any doubt, let me know. Okay, okay. I'll write in very simple here. Integration, compulsory interview question, not doubt here and there. Every interview, what you know integration, mandatory they will ask. Easy integration is PM to MM. Easy integration. Okay, so without knowing PM to MM integration, you cannot go for the interview. Be very clear. That I'm telling very, very clear. Okay, where is our sheet? I think this one. I think so. Is this our sheet? Yeah, I think so. So three flows
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to see: stock material, okay, non-stock material, and services. These are the three flows, PM to MM integration. Okay, these are the three flows. So for stock, in the work order, reservation is auto generated. Okay,
Okay.
normally MM integration kickstarts when the order is released. Normally, okay, when the PM work order is released. You can write this first line in your hand note. MM integration, the PM work order starts when the order is released. Okay, so for stock material, reservation is auto generated. Goods issue against reservation number. Okay, goods issue. What is goods issue? What is goods issue?
So the receiving of material against the reservation from warehouse.
That you should not tell. That is what I told. Goods issue means against the reservation, store people issuing the material or we are consuming the material.
Okay.
Okay, store people issuing, store people issuing,
Okay.
store people issuing.
Yes, sir.
Against the reservation number. Okay, non-stock, we don't have the material, so in the work order we are creating purchase requisition. Against the purchase requisition, purchase order to be created. Okay, against the purchase order, vendor will send the material and goods receipt is done. Goods receipt means we are receiving the material and checking whether the material quantity, everything. Overall, it's an invoice. We are buying in this. You are going to the shop, you are buying something, they'll give the bill. Why you are getting the bill? Whether this material is given to us, whether the cost is fine, whether the quantity is fine. That is what goods receipt. We are receiving the material. Okay, that is called goods receipt. Service, we don't have the skilled people or we don't have the resources to do the work. So we need to call the third party people to come and do the work. So in our PM model, we need to change the service control key. Very important. Control key, service control key, PM03 normally. Okay. Standard PM03 that we will discuss. Okay. So against the control key, again PRPO. But after PO, service entry sheet is done. Service entry sheet is done. This is the MM flow. So in the entry, if they are asking for PM to MM, this is what you know to tell. Three flows are there. Work order released. For stock material, against the material reservation is auto generated. Which issue is done against the reservation number. For non-stock material, PR and PO against the PO goods receipt is done. And for the services, control key PM03, control key PM03, and PR, purchase requisition, purchase orders created, and service initiative is done. This is what you need to tell. And movement type is there in the MyGo, movement type 101 and 261. Bad day, they may ask you. That we will discuss. Okay. So this is the MM flow we are going to see. We'll see if you are able to finish by 45 minutes. We'll try. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll try. Okay. Right. And now go to the system. Actually, here the issue you will face is the issue with the material. You will not get proper material. Okay. So that and all you may face. So what material I'm giving, use that itself. Okay. So I don't know what is happening. Okay. So take order, take any order. Okay. RW32. I'm taking. Okay. So in the component, you will be adding the material. Already we had seen during BOM through list button, you can get the material if the equipment is having BOM, equipment are referred. That you don't want to tell, just I'm telling that is related to BOM, just I'm touching that. List button is used to get the material if the technical object is having BOM. Correct or not? Okay,
Yes, sir.
list button. Okay, this is very simple integration, not no need to tell. I'm just telling you. Okay. So this is what item category we already discussed. Okay. Item category and all stock and non-stock we already discussed. So use this material itself. Okay. So go to MMBE, the T code MMBE. The T code to check the stock of the material. Give your material. Okay. Give your material SPV. This is the material. Plant 1710. Execute. Okay. So okay, storage location. Okay, so storage location, you can tell us like of what I can tell. Storage location is kind of that column rows are like that. Okay, you can take as something column or rows something. Okay, in the store,
Okay.
that is called storage location. Okay. Okay. So if you come here, your material is for this plant. Okay, under these two storage locations, under this 171B is one of the store location. One you can use any store location uh, for testing purpose, but in the project you need to ask the consultant which is to, I need to take the material from this store location or this store location. Okay, so now okay, keep it. Now go to the work order. Okay, so this is use the same material in HANA system. Use the quantity stock. We already discussed non-stock and stock during BOM L and N. Non-stock and stock, very important. Okay, stock material in the means I have material in the store. I have 43 material in the store. So I am going to do reservation. Okay, so I am giving here 5 quantity of this material I need for this maintenance. 5 quantity of this material. Okay, so give the plan, give the storage location. Are you clear or any questions here?
Yes,
Till
sir.
now.
We don't know whether how much quantity we have in the store, so that
It is
if
here. This
we
is what.
take.
This is what
Okay, okay,
unrestricted use. This is what.
okay.
This is what you have 43 quantity in 171B store location against this plant you have.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
You
So
can
press
proceed. Okay.
enter. So see you here automatically reservation for order will be generated if the order is released. save it. Come and refresh here. See, 48 reduced 40. Okay, see here, 123 reduced to 118. Okay, 123 reduced to 118. It had
118.
yeah, it had increased. Sorry. 118 had increased to 123. Correct? 118 had increased to 123. Reservation 5 quantity against our order number. Against our order number.
Oh.
Okay, so our date is
Okay.
9/10. Okay, so go to the order, go to the component. You can double click here. You can double click here or select the line, click general data. Okay, anything you can go. All is there in the PPT, how to navigate and all you can see here. See, click the line general data. Okay, select the line general data, everything is there. So this is the reservation number 987.2.
Okay.
987. Order number 918. Yeah. See, 987.2 against your order number 918. Okay, 5 quantities reserved. Okay. So this is the reservation number. In this reservation number, I blocked 5 quantity of material in this number. Hence, your reserved quantity in the stock had increased. Correct or not? Before it was 118. Before it is 118. Now it is 123. Okay.
Uh,
Yes, sir. So our reservation will be done automatically. So 5
Auto created.
reservation we
Reservation is
have done.
auto created. Reservation
Yes,
is
sir.
auto created. PR
Yes,
also
sir.
auto created. PR also auto created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Now against this reservation, we are doing goods issue. Against the reservation, what I told reservation means stock material. Against the reservation, I need to do goods issue. Okay. Because
Okay.
this reservation have my order number. This reservation have my order number. This reservation have my order number. So this reservation have my work order number. This reservation is created for my work order. This reservation is created for my against my work order. Against my work order. So this is the reservation number 99027.2. Okay. In the meanwhile, go to the actually plan cost should come. Okay, I think it is not coming, but plan cost will come. Okay, during this time, the plan cost will come because it is planning. It is planning, correct? We had planned that I need 5 minutes, but
Yeah.
conception can differ. The conception can differ. So T code I told my go. T code my go. You can do against the work order number also. Goods issue. This is what we are going to see two things here. It's not coming. Okay. So in this, okay. So in this goods issue and goods receipt, these two is important for us. Okay. goods issue and goods issue. This is what movement type 101, 261 I told. Okay. Movement type in the means, the people, they kept something movement type. Okay. So every 103 against PR into GR. There are many things are there. Okay. What type of movement the material is happening? Okay. So from a PM perspective, 101 against the reserve PO, that is next and 261. This two is from our perspective. See, conception of order from the store. Conception of material. This is the two we are going to do 101 261. They won't ask, but just to remember this movement type. Okay. So now we are going to do goods issue. Okay. Against reservation or work orders you can do. I'll give the reservation number 98. 28. 27, right? 98. 9827. Okay. 9827. Line item number 2. Line item is very important in the MM perspective. Okay. Line item is very important. You can check here. Line item. Line item is very, very important. Same reservation can have 3-4 line items also. Same reservation number. Same like PR, PO also. So line item is important. Okay. Line item is important. So ours is second line item. Press execute this button. So this is the material. I need 5 quantity. Okay. Against our order number. Movement type. Okay. Movement type. So I plan to 5, but need not be. I can use 3 also. It depends on my requirement. Okay. So this is the material. Okay. This is the storage location. Okay. This is my reservation number, required quantity. Okay. And this is my order number. Okay. So you need to give this item tick mark mandatory, otherwise it will throw error. So item tick mark is mandatory. See here. If I give check right, it will tell item not flagged. Okay. In the mix, I am confirming yes. Like our order release, you can tell. In our order, why you are releasing? You are checking everything is fine. So like that, they kept something as item. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Press enter. So post it. Post it. Now check again. Good. Document is okay. Post it. So I had consumed the material. Material document. You can check it. This with this material document number, you can check it. Display. Document number 89. 89. Okay. If you click OK,
Okay.
this is the material. See, it changed to 3 because I consumed only 3. Okay, I consumed only 3. Okay. So now come to the MMBE. Okay, so 123, 43, refresh this. See, 123 came to 120. This 43 changed to 40. When you consumed it, this 43 changed to 40. Got it? See, don't confuse here.
Okay.
You just see, you can check the don't. No need to come and see every fields. Okay. So this is the stock flow. Very important. When goods issue is done, actual cost for stock material will appear. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt, sir. Can you slightly go back?
Tell
That
me.
three, two,
Tell.
back so that MMB, the material is shown that two locations, the 43, 40, 44 and below. Yes, below Kanban. So sometimes 1, 2, 3 locations come from which one is picking. We have to pick like that. Any order is there?
No, we are
Like
only
a storage.
giving.
Okay,
In the work order, you are only giving. In the work order, you are only giving which storage location. See here.
okay, sir.
You need to
Yes,
give from
yes.
which store location I am consuming. Otherwise, it will ask me enter the store location.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So this
Got
is
it.
the stock flow. Again, I am telling goods issue. When goods issue is done, actual cost for the stock material will come. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
See your actual
Yes, sir.
cost for the stock material.
Okay.
Clear? It's an entry question, important.
Yes,
You
sir.
should know concept. See, I am teaching lot of concept. People are busting out, sir. That is the issue, sir. I don't know how to provide training. Really, I'm telling you, I don't know how to provide training. No, I'm not telling you. I'm telling everybody. They are busting out, actually. I don't know whether to teach this level or to reduce my quality. I am really... No, people are not doing preparation. You don't know. Okay, I don't have time now. So go to the order. Now we are going to see the non-stop flow. Okay. So use the same material. Okay. So come here, give non-stock item category. Okay. So give some 10 quantity. Okay. So give the plan, give the storage location. Yeah, you press enter. It may ask. Okay. This is a general message. Don't worry. Press enter. Give the store location. Always give. You can see here. PR for the order. PR means purchase requisition. PR means purchase requisition. I required quantity 15. Okay. You can see here also. Double click. See. No, line item. See, this is line item 1. Okay. Next to line item first. Next component. Okay. Okay. I think I took. Okay. We took second line, right? Sorry. Double click here. See, we required 5, but we consumed 3. We required 5, but we consumed 3. Correct? So this is the reservation number. This is the line item movement type. Okay. Movement type. Okay. Now non-stock. Okay. In the means I don't have stock. So I want to purchase from outside. I need to... Correct, right? I don't have the material.
Yeah.
I am not having the... So I need to purchase from outside. So when the order is released and when you save, system will auto-generate PR. System will auto-generate PR. System will auto-generate the requisition, purchase requisition. Okay.
Okay.
I think this year something will come. Okay. Don't break your head on MM, but you should know what is MMB T code. You should know. Okay. Don't come and... They won't ask this and all. They will not ask. Don't worry. They will not ask what is out of stock, what is this and all. They will not ask. Okay. So just I am teaching the knowledge purpose. Don't break. Just you should know MMB T code to check the stock of the material. MMB T code to check the stock of the material. That is what you should know. Okay. Don't. They will not ask this and all. But you should know what is goods issue, what is goods receipt. That you should know. Movement type. Suddenly they will ask you where you will do the movement types for material. MyGo T code. Okay. Goods issue, goods receipt, both I told. Okay. Now the non-stock flow. Okay. So the PR is auto-generated. You can see, double click the line. This is the line item. 5 quantity. I don't have stock. So I need a purchase requisition. Purchase requisition. Double click here. You will get a new tab here. Purchasing data. You can see the PR number. Purchase requisition. Auto-generated. Okay. This is the PR. Line item number 10. See here. Line item number 10. Okay. 10. For this now request is created. So I need to order the material. Request is created. Auto created. I didn't create manually. PR is auto created. So PO to be manually created. PO to be manually created. T code for PO is ME21N. T code for PO is ME21N. So go to ME21N. Okay. So you can go in the left also here, right? My PR also you can go like this. You see, my purchase order. Okay. Or I don't know get means come here directly. You can give the PR number here. Purchase you directly also you can give your wish. Or you can go with my PR. My PR. Okay. So you will get your PRs for your use ready. Okay. So line item 10. This is what correct. Click and adopt. Click and adopt or give the PR number here currently. Line item 10. Anyway, you can do. Anyway, this and a lot of videos are there in YouTube. Okay. How to create, but the issue is now we are creating a PO with respect to the PR. There you may have any videos without PR directly creating PO. So that issues will be there. Ping me in doubt. We can discuss, no issues. Okay. So for
Okay.
this PR, for line item time, I need the material. I am creating the order. Okay. So press enter. Yeah, cost it may ask you. Okay. Delivery date. Okay. All are fine. I think so. What is this? Net price, correct. This you will get issue. So come to the price here, give the material cost. Somewhere you want to give the cost here. Delivery. Amount you need to give the amount here. Okay. So give some amount on that. Okay. This, everything was working proper. Date here, I don't know. Okay. Okay. So net price, we are given something here. Okay. Enter supplier. What is supplier? What do you mean by supplier?
The vendor.
Vendor. Absolutely. Absolutely. Vendor, you need to give in the top. Okay. Take from F4 or give this. Okay. So everything fine. Press enter. No issues. Okay. No issues. Okay. Open line item. Gross price is given. Okay. So check first. Check. God's grace, no issues. Same. No issues. So good. Everything good. Now you can post. So this is here. PO. This is the for this PR. For this PR, you are creating for year. This account assignment tab is very important. Okay. You can see the order number and you will get a new tab now, purchase order history. You will get now. So no issues. Okay. Post it. In the means we are creating the PO. We are creating the PO. PO created. PO created. This is the PO number. Against this PO number, what you need to do now? Against this PO, what you need to do now? What is PO? What is PO? PO means what? Aravind, what is
Purchase order.
PO? Purchase order. Why you want it? What do you mean by purchase order? What do you mean?
Sir, purchase. Sir, for procuring the non-stock
Absolutely.
material.
I am ordering. Requested.
Yes.
Already
Order.
requested. For the request, I am ordering. That is called PO. T code emitted event. No. Now this vendor, you can see your PO here. Other purchase order. Give your order number. What is your order number? Okay, same.
Okay.
So this is my order number. Press enter. This vendor guy is going to send you material. This vendor guy is going to send you material.
Okay.
Okay, go to MMBE. See, MMBE, don't, I am checking, don't confuse. Only thing you should know MMBE to check the stock of the material. That's all. Don't go on every field wise. Don't break your, but just see. Here and there, go and see, but no need to see every field wise. I am doing for my purpose. You should know MMBE to check the stock of the material. That is what you should know. It's an entry question. Okay. Now we need to do goods receipt. In the means vendor is going to send the material here only. In where?
This to the warehouse.
T code.
Migo, yes.
Absolutely Migo. For goods issue, goods receipt, both Migo. Okay. So Migo. Goods receipt. Okay.
Goods.
Against my PO. Against my PO. This is my PO. Correct. Line item is there. I will check the line item. Line item. Lot of practice if you do, boss. I'm telling 1,000 times. Do more practice. I am
Sure,
ready
sir.
to help. Again, I'm telling, I am ready to help, but you guys should do practice. That is what I will tell. Otherwise, maybe no line item. Okay. So press enter. Good. This is the material. I need 10 quantity. Okay. So this is your order number. Okay. So come down. Okay. So quantity, if you want to reduce the quantity, you can reduce. Okay. I want 8 quantity, 7 quantity means you can take. Or keep 10 also, no issues. Press enter. Check. No issues. Item flag okay. Post. So your vendor supplier is sending this material 8 quantity to you against for your work order against this PO. Clear? For your work order against this purchase order.
Okay.
Okay. I know it is confused, but I am trying my best. Okay. Material document posted. Go to your work order. Go to your work order / IW33. Go to the cost. See, the cost had increased. Right? I think the cost had increased. Okay. Actually, non-stock it will come. But it is not coming. Okay. That we'll see later. Okay. So the actual cost will come. So when goods for non-stock, when goods receipt is done, actual cost will come. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
Clear or
Yep.
not? This is entry question. You
Yes,
should
sir.
know when the actual cost will come. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Now go to
Okay.
the PO. Go to the PO. Yeah, you can see your material. VDC rental, you can check here. Okay, go to the PO ME23N just to see. Okay. So I think it is going fast. Good. So you can see the new field I told, right? Purchase order history will come. This new field tab will come. Here you can see the material issue document number. The material issue upright. This against this material document number created. That is MM. Just I'm telling. Okay. So this tab will come. Okay. So material document is posted. Okay. Now go to the work order. $31 increased to 33, right?
31.
Okay. So now non-stock completed. Okay. The third flow is services. Good. Today class is going good. It's no issues. Services means what is services?
Sir, sir, okay, I will ask
Tell
after,
me,
sir. No problem.
tell me.
Sir, so this are each when you are this purchase order, sir, purchase requisition to purchase order is gone, but any approval or something part is
That
required,
is
like
MM said that
between
is none of our business. There are many approvals.
our
Okay.
business.
That goes into MM schedule.
Or,
You don't their release strategy, many things are there, their side. Okay. So here somewhere the here PR approval and all will that is not our scope. That is MM. That level not required for us.
okay,
Release strategy, many things
okay,
are there MM side. So your question is correct.
okay.
Not only PR in
Yes,
PO
sir.
itself. PR release, PO release
Because
also is there. PR release
yeah,
also is there.
yeah,
PO release also is there. Okay. That and
yes,
all
sir,
MM.
because, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because when I unit testing, I doing the system
Yes,
integration testing, I seen some tick marks.
That's
Okay,
what I am also telling. Yes, it is there. It is under
okay,
MM.
okay,
Okay. We don't want to go
okay,
that level and all. It goes into depth.
okay,
Okay. It goes into depth. And this is also
okay, okay.
important actually in the header, right?
I mean that status.
This one.
Uh,
Because when you are entering wrong vendor, right, it will tell not created for PO, PR, PO, mainly PO. So vendor is created against entered against the PO. Okay,
Okay.
you may get issues while entering vendor. So you can see here. Okay, if you give wrong here, right, you need to give the PO here. Okay, do practice. Okay, if anything, you need to give the PO. PO I told, right? Vendor is created or against the PO. You will not get the plant here. Okay, so in case I'm telling, in case if you're taking a wrong vendor, you come here and take your material for this PO. Okay, right. Tell me, Arvind, Avinash, you're telling something.
No, I was telling
Avinash.
this status. One thing is there after organization data. I think that is release strategy or something. I don't know.
Correct, correct. Okay, correct. Here something will come. Yes. Status partially delivered. Okay, not invoice consequency. But there will be button also will be coming. Okay, there will be some button will be coming. That leave it. If you go that and all, that is MM part. Okay, that is MM part. Okay. Okay, so now PO completed. Last is services. Today class is going good. Okay. So same. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Actually, what's here is like if we don't check the stock, how much we have, and we're taking the material like
Very good. Very good point. Very good
Yes,
point.
sir.
For that, you need to go to MB1C. With movement type 561, you can increase the stock. Your question is correct. I'm not telling you 100% your question is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You need to go to MB1C. P code is MB1C. I think movement type 561. Okay. Movement type. That's what. If the data is not proper with MM, you cannot do. Okay.
Yes,
With
sir.
the MB1C, C. This is the T code MB1C or MB11. You need to increase the stock by T code 561. But you are doing in HANA. In HANA, MB itself removed. There is no T code. You need to go with MyGo only. Even I don't know. You see here, if I give MB1C, right, it will not be there. The T code is removed in HANA.
Hmm.
In HANA, MB1C, MB T codes are removed. Okay, I think MyGo only T code. I think with MyGo, you need to increase the stock. It will be here to increase the stock. I will check and let you know. Okay, what is
Yes, sir.
the
Okay.
process in ECC? You can do in MB1C, but in HANA, MB T code itself is removed. In HANA, MB
Sir,
total
but
is. Tell
sir, I
me.
checked MB23, 23, MB21, MB23 is working. MB23.
In HANA. Okay.
Yes, in HANA.
MB21
MB23.
Okay.
is a reservation. That is also
So
MB21.
MB21 is PO. MB21 is PO.
No,
Yeah,
yeah,
Teja, your question is correct. If there is no material, it will throw error. That is what I told. You use this
Yes,
order
sir.
with this material. I break, no, really every batch when this MM come, right, to prepare data as well, it will take for me 2 days. I'll call my MM friend because the storage location, many issues will come, posting date, MM configuration issues and all will come. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
use the
yes.
same order with the same material.
Okay,
If you
sir.
take
Okay.
some other, many issues will come, material category, this, that, you will become mental.
Yes,
You
sir.
will become
Every
mental.
time we need to integrate with them.
Yes. Lot of issues will come. Okay. Now non-stop flow, IW32. Okay. So very important control key, PM03. Okay. Control key, PM03. This is very important. Again, I'm telling PM to MM integration is very important. Easy integration. Costing is tough. PM to MM, PM to QM. Calibration we'll see after 10 days. These two are easy for the interview. FICO, if you open the mouth, they will tear you. Okay. You can go if you are very strong, what I teach you. Otherwise, don't touch FICO. Be in the back end. Come with MM and QM. PP also I covered integration. Any idea on PP integration? What I covered? Anyone? Any
Yes, sir.
idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
What,
sir.
sir?
Work center.
Tell me, sir.
It's a work center. It's
Work
a
center
work
what?
center.
Work
It's
center
a work
what?
center. It is a work center in PP. It is the machinery. Machineries
So,
considering it.
so
So,
what? So,
uh, so the labor cost is not calculated.
huh? With the machine,
And
your
the
labor cost is coming. Hmm?
eh,
With
no,
the
no,
machine
no,
work
not
center,
coming.
your
Not
labor cost
not
is coming.
So it is machineries we are selecting the machine. In
Sound
But in
will go
but in
down,
PM,
up and down
but
and
in
down
PM,
and up and
so
down, up and
PM,
down.
we are not taking labor cost. Labor.
PP integration work center, labor is not coming at all in the picture. Remember it. PM to PP integration with PP work center, labor cost is no way linked. PM work center, labor cost linked. PP integration, labor cost will not come, absolutely. Then why PP work center? Okay, that you get the answer tomorrow. Okay, so now
Okay.
services
Okay.
external. In the means,
Yes,
I
sir.
don't have the resources. I am calling the third
Okay.
third party to come and do the work. Okay, services PM03.
Mm.
Okay, so this service will be created in AC03. It is not our scope. It is MM scope. AC03. Okay, they will create. It's not our business. You don't worry. This is not our business. It is their business. So press enter. Press enter. Give some description. Something enter. Yeah, this issue will come. So try to give some proper data. Okay. So you will get all the issues. So try to use this one. Okay. Use this material. Okay. Use this purchase organization, purchase group and up. Okay. Use this. Okay. Not very important, but just I'm adding. Okay. This is for MM. Just I'm adding. Okay. I need to break that. But you should know the terminology because if MM issues, you will get this. That is what I mean. So okay. So this is your okay. So okay, we didn't enter the services. So here you need to enter the services. Okay. So select it, click external or double click here. Sorry, PM is double click here. Okay. So you can see the service number now. Give the services, give the quantity, give the gross price. These three we need to give. Press enter. Service number not is there. Go F4, take some other services. Okay. Okay. So for these services, 4 quantity, gross price. Okay. So here your PR will be generated here. Okay. Save it. Order is released. Again, I'm telling PM MM duration for all 3 flows, order should be released. Okay. So go to the operation, select the line, click actual data here directly. You can go directly here. Okay. Services you entered here. You enter the service number here. 4 people for price. Actual data here you will get the PR. Okay. So this is my PR. Okay. 964. Line item 10. Line item 10, very important, I told you. So for the PR, you need to create the PO. Okay, cost, did you get the plan cost is not coming yet. Check it later. You know, right? Plan cost will come. This we discuss very detail in the labor.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes,
actual
sir.
cost will come when you do the services. Now PR against the PR PO. PO. Okay, against me PR PO. Line item 10. Click adopt services. You will get the everything will be copied here. You can see the PR taken. Okay. And what other things? Press enter, 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 enter. I think no issues. Maybe because this maintenance service limits, service limits. Here's something is asking. Check supplier. Okay, vendor. Okay. See, you need to search with this. I told right something. If you get issue against the purchase action, go here F4. Okay, give the Orum show. Give the PO. What is it? 1710. Sometime you'll get issue. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. You can take like this vendor. So take any vendor for now. Press enter. Okay. 1 second, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So this is the service guy who is going to send the material to us. Okay. So I showed you how to take the vendor with this purchase organization. Okay. And customers press enter, enter. Any issues? I hope no. Check. Good. We are saved. No issues. Okay. Post it. Save it. Sorry. It's not post. Saving. PO you are not posting. PO you are creating. Okay. So 010. Don't tell PO I'm posting. PO we are creating. Okay. This is the PO number. Okay. So now service entry sheet. In the means the work is completed. The work is completed. First, understand the terminologies. Reservation means what? Goods issue means what? PR means what? PO means what? Understand the terminologies. Then you start the system. You got my point, all three. Without that, if you start, you will get confused. First, understand the terminologies. Why reservation? Why PR? Why PO? Goods issue, T code, my go. Okay, that and if you understand it, when you do practice, you will easily you can do the flow. Without knowing the concept, if you do the flow right, you whatever you do also it will be of no use. Correct, right? Without knowing the flow, if you do right, it will be of no use. So PO created. So 10. Okay. So go to ML 81 here. ML 81 is the equal to create the service entry sheet. Okay. So create service entry sheet. Okay. PO number is this. Copy it. Click service entry sheet. Create service entry sheet or other purchase order. Okay. Other purchase order. Give your PO number because this is not my PO. My PO is next. So enter. Put service entry for PO. No, that is not mine. Leave it. Okay. So this is my PO number. 110. Okay. Press enter. So okay. Okay. So come down. Adopt service button will be there in the down. 1 second. This button full screen services. PO is right. Oh, here, here. Press enter. Okay. Again, create. Create service entry sheet. We took it. We didn't click the button create. Sorry. First other purchaser and then create. Okay. So give the PO number. Create the service entry sheet. Okay. I got confused. This button I was searching. Okay. So you need to select the services. Okay. So click this button for our PO. Press enter. The service what we entered is here. Select the line. Click adopt services. I am telling for this service I need to do service entry sheet. Okay. So when the service entry sheet will be done, when the third party finishes the work, the third party people coming and they complete the work, you will be doing service entry sheet. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? The third
Yes,
party
sir.
people come and when they finish the work, service entry sheet is done. Services. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So maybe this release will be there here somewhere. Okay, release something may come or save it. Done or not? I think created. Okay. So where is your PO number? This is your PO. Go inside. Okay, purchase order history. Yeah, done. I think so. Done. Service entry sheet also completed, sir. That's all. MM4 done. Okay. This is what MM flow.
Sir,
It
here
should come, but
services means we take the resources as a labor, right, sir? Not yes, it's labor only. Outside people will
yeah,
come and do this
I don't have
consulting
the
work.
not. Yeah, I don't have that
Okay,
skilled resources, so I'm calling third party people. Yes.
okay,
So
okay, sir.
that's all. MM flow completed. These are the 3 flow done.
Okay.
Okay. Do practice. Okay. So this you
Okay.
should tell in the interview. If they are asking again, I'm telling. PM to MM has 3 flows. First condition order should be released. So for stock material, reservation will be auto-generated. Against the reservation, goods issue is done. For the non-stock material, PR is created. Against the purchase requisition, purchase orders created manually. Purchase orders manually created. Against the purchase order, goods receipt is done. And for the services, PR is control key. Very important. Service means first you should remember the word control key PM03. Okay. So for the control key PM03, if we enter the services, PR will be auto created. Purchase requisition for the PR, we need to create purchase order manually. Against the purchase order, service entry should is done in T code ME21, ML81N. These two T codes, ML81N and ME21N, you need to remember. ML81N and ME21N, you need to remember these two T codes. Basic T codes, you cannot tell I don't know the T code. Okay, that's all from the MM side. Yes. Yes.
So this is one ML81 and sorry, it is to be done by the side part or the
If you see that PO
yeah.
also MM only, PO creation also MM only, but you cannot escape in the technical round. Okay. In the technique, but again in the project, it depends on project to project. Okay. The client to client, how they are handling. But testing side you should
Because
do. Hold on,
okay,
I'm coming there only. I'm coming there only. If you are working as a PM consultant, if you are running a full flow, you should know to do this MM flow. At least the fundamentals.
okay. Yeah.
We are doing fundamental. You cannot skip this is MM. I don't know to create PO means it won't be good because for every work order, for every testing purpose, you cannot call the MM people to do the work. You got it because after this only your actual cost is coming.
Okay.
Got it. So you cannot escape. I
Yeah.
don't know PO. I don't know service certificate. Fundamentals you should know. Fundamentals.
Okay,
What is
interviewer
funda?
side, interviewer side, he will be expecting a minimum basic integration. At least you will need
Absolutely.
to know.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 yes. Otherwise, why trainers are teaching PM to MM degradation? I can skip it. If MM is doing, I can skip and go, right? Order release,
Yes, sir.
PR will be created. Order release, PR reservation will be created. Non-stock, PR will be created. Services, PM03, PRPO, PR. I will not touch
Mm.
PO. I will not do this. Why I'm doing? They will ask. You should know fundamentals of MM. If you
Yes, sir.
don't know, I'm telling open next second, they will skip you. You don't know MM degradation out. No, really. Really. Yes, tell me, Aravind, you are asking something.
This is a service entry sheet, no? The PML81, and
Mm.
this is to be raised by the PM role by PM people only, right? Raised. Who is supposed to raise this?
Fundamentals you should know, not
Who
expert.
should raise?
Huh?
Okay. Why I ask this question is because in the test script, this ML81, it is shown the responsibility in the PM, like um, PM, sir, PM is the given
That is
role.
what I am
Means who
telling,
is that?
sir. If the PR is created against your work order for PR PO service entry sheet, you should only do. That is what I'm telling. I'm telling that
Oh, you
only.
understand?
You
Got it.
should
Yes, sir.
only
Got
do.
it.
That is what I'm telling. That is
Okay,
what I'm
understand.
telling. Fundamentals, they will not ask expert here, but at least what is service initiator,
Okay.
what is vendor. If it is a bad day, see, if it is a simple day, they will ask. If you tell this, they will skip. Again, if it is a bad day, where you will do goods movement, go. What are the movement types? What is it equal to PO? What is it equal to create service? If it is a bad day, okay. And what is it equal to check stock of the material? What is goods issue? What is goods received? What is it equal to check stock of the material? If it is a bad day, they may go inside. But without skipping MMD relation, you cannot go for the interview. Again, I'm telling. Because that is the easy integration. Calibration also easy. Okay, with this I'm closing. Do practice. Any doubt,
Okay.
let me know.
Okay.
We can discuss tomorrow. I am done.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, anything?
Okay.
Okay, sir. No, sir. Thank you so much for today, sir.
First
yes.
understand the terminologies. First, and PR means